back to Kristen and Alexandria. I know it's been a long time since we've made a video, and I'm so sorry. It's just been kind of hectic lately. Alex has actually been moving, so like for the past couple of months, she's been like apartment hunting and trying to get that together or whatever. But she's getting settled in, so you can expect some content from her soon. Here I've just been kind of busy, like getting ready for the holidays, and then the holidays are rolling around, and then the kids in virtual school and everything. It's just been a little bit hectic, like the past couple of months or so. But my kids are actually starting in-person school on Tuesday, which I am a little bit nervous about, but it will give me a little bit more time to create some content for you guys. But yeah, today I am going to be sharing with you actually what I got for my anniversary, which was actually back in November, but I'm just sharing it with you guys today. So I have actually opened it already, but we're gonna pretend that I didn't, and we're gonna open it again. But this gift was actually from the Louis Vuitton Game On collection, and originally, when I had gone to the store, like before the collection launched, I was talking to the sales associate, and she was like showing me all the things that were coming out in the collection. And at first I was like, it's probably not for me because I don't typically like a lot of color. I'm more of like a neutral girl. So I don't really have a lot of like colorful bags or shoes or whatever. Like I only have like a few, mostly in like white, black, and tan, like all the time. But so like I was like, might not be for me. But then when the collection actually launched and like I saw like this item that I have here, I was like, oh, like it is kind of cute. And I could use something with a little bit of color in it for like my wardrobe, since I'm mostly neutral. To have something with like a little pop of color would be cute. But yeah, then there's like a couple of other things that I like too. Like they had like a couple of clothing items that I thought were cute, and they also had like this little heart-shaped bag. It was like in the brown monogram one. I thought that was really cute. But overall, I kind of like changed my mind on the collection. I'm kind of like feeling it now. But anyways, so for my anniversary, I create like a wish list of like things that I want, and then for holidays and whatever, my husband just picks them out. Like he'll pick something from the wish list for my gift. So this item is on my wish list, and it is the Vanity PM. And yes, I already have this bag in the reverse monogram, which has the reverse monogram on the top and then the original monogram on the bottom. But I really love this style of bag, and I'm glad it's going to be a, what do you call it? Like a staple in their collection, because I really love these vanity bags. Like, I wouldn't say from every designer, but like Chanel vanity bags and Louis Vuitton vanity bags, I definitely love. Like the Dior ones, I'm not too sure about yet. I don't know how I feel about those, but I think these are just adorable, and I'm still on my little bag kick. Like I don't take large bags really unless I'm traveling, or, that's pretty much it. I don't really carry a large background because I don't take a lot of things with me on the day-to-day. Like typically I'll have a wallet, my keys, sanitizer, and if I have on makeup that day, I might have like lipstick and some oil blotting sheets with me. But I'm not one to carry like a whole bunch of stuff around with me all the time. So these little bags like this are perfect for me, and I just think they're so adorable. And like the size, you can go from day to night because it is more of a compact size. So they look cute even in the evening, like if you're going out to dinner or something. But I think they're very versatile, and I just love them. And I think they're so adorable. And then, as my daughter gets older, they'll be cute for her too. But just like the other one, it comes with the braided gold strap, black leather inside. That's another thing I like about these bags too, are they have the black instead of that, like, I forgot what you call it, but that like nude color for the handles. Because it does patina over time, and the black won't have that issue. Yeah. So cute. And then it has the little key here, little key holder with the heart on it, which is adorable. And the print on here, it has the LV in kind of like a taupey color, and then the other little like symbols are in blue, black, and kind of a what would you call that? Not mauve, but it's like a really dark pink color, and then the red hearts. So it's really cute. And that'll be like my little bit of color to add to my wardrobe, because probably needed that. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys today, and thank you so much for coming back and joining me here. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you like, let me know what you think, and also if you guys would be interested in more like lifestyle things, like we maybe with Alex's move and like her new apartment and decorating, if you'd like to see more interior design stuff, because that's like my passion, like I love interior design. So if you'd like to see more of that, just let me know. And thanks for watching. If that is something that you guys are interested in, you can follow me on Instagram. I'll link both my home decor page and my actual page below, and I'll link Alex's as well. So just let me know what you think, and thanks again. See you next time. Bye.